work late, so I picked up a fast cheese sandwich on the way home. I thought I'd save you the bother.
Well, why didn't you call me?
I forgot.
Did it ever occur to you, Rob, that I might like to eat?
Well, go ahead. Who's stopping you? What do you want me to do? Cook it for you? Honey, I'm sorry. That's the worst. It's just that, well, everything went wrong today.
And I suppose you think everything went right for me.
I didn't say that. Oh, ow. Oh, darn, Ottoman.
But you don't have to bark at me. The Ottoman's been in this room for years, Mr. Astaire.
I wasn't barking at you, Ginger. I was talking to the Ottoman.
What are you doing?
I'm going to sit here and make some paper hats for this gay party we seem to be having.
Why don't you save your marvelous jokes for the office? There are a few more important matters around here that require your attention.